Hi, I'm Jane Jackson. I'm the Physical Therapist Assistant Program Director. I've been a physical therapist assistant for the past 15 years. Over the past 5 years, I've moved into the academic field because of my ability to relate to the students as a PTA. I feel like I can transfer that information over to what they're going to need to know as they're working in this field. I feel like I want to give back to the profession and know that having an impact at the student level will have a direct impact as to how the student will transfer into the field as a professional. There is so much information that they're going to learn over the 5 semesters that it's hard at times, however, it's rewarding in the end. It is 5 semesters of full information, a lot of content. However, the reward at the end of the time is that you do get to join this great profession. I love teaching in the PTA program because I have the ability to impact the students and change their lives. I chose Brookline because of the ability to really make an impact on these students and the direct one-on-one time that we can spend. Like I mentioned, the faculty have the time to really get to know the students, and we say we care, but we can actually show it because of the time that we have available to work directly with the students.